It look like say dancehall gone to the gays right now, families and friends. You are gone tea. Because a day after Leela, I say she like woman. Here comes another shocking bombshell. And this time it's from Jada. You are gone tea. The one we are chat about she live in a kingdom. You are gone tea. Listen up. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. And if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button, and we are going to have a great relationship. Ladies and gentlemen, you hear what I'm talking about here? It sounds like said dance hall gone to the gay. You heard what the Rasta man said. Jada Kingdom comes out as a lesbian and said her mom knew all along. Now, me I run this across some people in the streets all day because I am shocked to see such a woman as Jada Kingdom with such a physique like a stallion that cannot find a proper melanated man. It's a disrespect and an indictment up on my nation. Where the man them there, why really a guan pan what a guan? Then I saw the woman them get turned against me. It no real people, it no real. Dancehall songstress Jada Kingdom has said that she is a lesbian. And I me say it, as she said. Y'all gonna take. On Monday, November 16th, Kingdom made the revelation that she recently mustered up the courage to come out to her mother. To her surprise, Kingdom said that her mother was not shocked, but instead told her that she knew all along. Black woman enough to stop the nastiness. I don't know how my pride and my joy. I want to bring my little girl and boy. You are my first teacher. You tell me not to be a bleacher, nor a woman beater, nor a beggar, nor a thiefer, or a murderer. You are my high standards. And now you have side with the LGBTQRSTUVWXY. You do that. Why? You are guarantee. So mommy know say you are wibble. That you scaly. And she don't try to curb the most high baby. And she allow the snake to infiltrate and give you the bait. You are guarantee and literally lick you away from me. Yeah, you don't understand. So this is silent genocide. When a black woman leave her man, when a queen leaves the king, the nation dwindles and fall. Look at the physique on this woman. Make enough man ball. You are guarantee. Now she's saying that she remembered just a couple of months ago that she finally mustered up the courage to tell her mother that she was a lesbian, and her mother, said, she knew. She told me she's been knew that all these years. Kingdom tweet. The jungle singer also shared that she was outed by a schoolmate for who she had harsh words. There was a bitter b-tch in high school that outed me because I didn't like her. If you're reading this, I still don't like you, smelly, she added. However, it turned out that, like Kingdom's mom, her fam's not surprised about learning her sexual orientation. You hear that? You see it? I wanna bring this thing. You guarantee. You hear what it say? Just like Kingdom's mom, her fans were not surprised about her sexual orientation, though most felt that she was bisexual and not necessarily a full-on lesbian. Your music always gave a bi energy, said one fan on Twitter. Yeah, but I guess they thought it was for pretend or something, added Kingdom in her response to the fans, later going on retweeting on the message. No! Me telling a long time that enough Jamaicans are swimming in the sea, swimming in the pond, swimming in the lake, swimming in the gutter, swimming any splish, splash. I was taking a bath. You are gonna take. In 2020, Kingdom went public with her relationship with American music producer, singer, Verse Simmons. Wish that they look feminine. That was just a act. She now trying to get some acceptance in the American market. Cause she knows say she have to go live a foreign. And that they do. Then sell out the thing and bow out the thing and fry out the thing. And then fly out and run out and hide. And blame out my thing. And me thing me I talk about my culture. My roots and my culture. Dancehall is now gay. You are gonna tell what me say. That's why them inner tight plants. That's why them a move jiggy with it. That's why them swaggerific. That's why them bleaching and teaching the lewd and lascivious things to the children of today. So them can water down my culture. So them can water down my thing. You are gonna tell me, queens. You are gonna tell me, queen. Listen, my kings and queens, listen to me. Me no inna it. Me no inna it. Me no inna no swim around. Me no inna the fish. From a no cooking, we no inna no fishes round here doing no joking. I don't care. You are guarantee. Me I tell you no, I know my culture. Bring that to Rome. Dance hall is my everything. Dance hall is my culture. Them go put the gay in a reggae. I what do them? Me hear the one Leela talk about. If you don't like your music. When it's under a guise of naturality and purity. But I check you, I check me. I take it. Look pan good Leela. Look pan good Leela. My girl, you're 20 sin thing. Do you know that you just a little baby? Young lady, you have yourself bitten by the snake already. You go wrap up with the snake of the Illuminati. Literally, you have a situation where you hate man so much. Anyway, like them say, good for the ghost, good for the gander. People, I'm wondering, what them I think, what them I ponder. Jamaicans get so dirty and mucky. I just the other day about the same can't believe him yai. And me I hear say him have a son with a guy, Ninja, Beanie, all of them see the bujo daughter go baptize. I this them a this me culture a long time. You are going to this you know a this me culture. In a 2020, Kingdom went public. Pick up again with the American producer songwriter versus Simon. Like me say, I play them and I play it off. Give them a fake laugh. At the time, Kingdom said that she and Versus had been dating for a year and 2 months prior to going public. Yeah, right. I want one joke and get on the side. And you say, might as well, we make it look like say real. You are gonna take. Real as it can feel. I feel vexed and disrespected that my culture is being manipulated. And a long time I hear it. So them a try infiltrate Jamaica with the LGBTQRSTUVW. So with them do them hype up some girl with some big oversex, overdrive figure. Cause that's all they do. You are gonna take. You hear what the man say? From them have ringing at them nose and them overexposed. Keep a eye on them. She says she's coming out as a lesbian. And what's weird? Enough man don't mind. Enough woman don't mind. And that is where they infiltrate my nation. Because once you take the woman from the man, once another nation's culture infiltrate or is accepted, and my culture is wiped out by my woman, meaning their religion, their medicine, your organ tea, their education, their sexual orientation. And this is all European. So the black woman, them no black no more. My woman, them, I don't know, my woman, them no more. Matter of fact, they never have been. Me can't tell her your minds. She would have rather go lay down with her next woman and be her next woman's concubine than to be the queen, the empress of the king of kings. Ladies and gentlemen, I just vex right now if you hear certain things. Dancehall has been my everything. And now you see it. The culture that the ghetto youths them can go to and feel like say them a star. You see them turn it in a LGBTQR. You are gonna take. People want to hit that red subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and let me know what go on. Them done fishy up the whole thing. Dancehall turn gay. You hear what me say? And I use a woman them for infiltrate where me not inna it. Me not inna it. Me not inna no swim around and me not inna no fish. If I no cooking, we not lick and we not eat. You are gonna tell them gyal get nastier and nasty. They naked out, them lewd and lascivious with them lyrics, and them nasty with them appearance, and now them a bow out me culture a certain way. You heard what I say? The whole dancehall industry turned gay. Unbelievable! You know I'm Rastafari, social ladies and gentlemen. Hit that red subscribe button, leave your comment. Share it up. Share it up.
Yo people, this December the 17th have a normal. It's a Moby and Waters link up. And me I tell you say unity is strength. Unity is strength. Me I go see on how when the selector about down the place, I wanna beat down the fence. You understand what me I say? $15 for going. You understand? Yeah, and this is a Vibes Lounge. You understand? Not the other deal. Fort Lauderdale. You understand? The whole I wanna come up. Miami, everybody. You understand? Get to understand! Get clap! You want to this on? I want to go on this, sir. Promoter. Say she wants some good love.
Log on Deep Roots.
Hello, I am Carla. I am watching Deep Roots TV. Woo!
This the lioness. Log on to Deep Roots TV.
On parle français, sa femme est française, donc on dit bonjour à la France, et super, et vive Fort Lauderdale.